In this video, let's talk about the first step towards building an online income. Okay, first things first, when it comes towards building an online income, okay, you have to find out what truly resonates with you. What are you truly passionate about? So this is what I'll do. Okay, in your case, find 3 business models. Okay, and it could be, for example, print on demand, right? Print on demand. I'm gonna try to write this quickly for you guys. Print on demand. It could be e-commerce, right? It could be e-commerce. Okay, it could be e-commerce. It could be FBA, right? It could be all those stuff. I tried all those stuff. Okay, because what I did was that I was trying them out and it didn't resonate with me. Like, I didn't like doing e-commerce. I don't like doing print on demand. I didn't do FBA. So it all comes down towards going to try them out. Okay. Now, out of those 3, find which one which resonates with you the most. Okay, so let's say, for example, you tried out print on demand, you tried e-commerce, FBA, but you are only allowed to pick one. To keep it simple for you, okay? Because I've noticed in this space, so many people are just hopping on towards the next trend, right? AI, right? AI is broad. You can get lost in AI. There's different types of AI, right? There's like AI content creation, AI sales calls. There's like AI in terms of automation. There's AI implementation, right? Like, you're doing all this kind of aspects. So what happened is that you're just all over the place and you're doing this. And what happened is that when you're switching your focus from one thing to the next, what that causes is called mental fatigue. You're fatiguing your mind. You're fatiguing. And that's when you start to get that burned out feeling. I can resonate with that. That's why I'm trying to keep it very simple for you guys, right? Yeah, you only can pick one. See what I'm saying? So try out print on demand, try out e-commerce, try FBA. That's what I did, and then I found one that has worked for me. You guys can go and check it out. It's below this video where I talk about it. Okay, it's my 7-part free training series. So you guys can see the first step towards building an online income. Okay, is you have to understand this. The offer, okay, which could be an affiliate offer. Okay, it could be an affiliate offer. 2, do you know your target audience? Okay. Okay. 3, do you know the messaging? This is crucial. Okay. Messaging. Okay. You see how I'm breaking it down clear for you guys? So you see the offer, affiliate offer, target audience, messaging, and the funnel. A funnel is basically you're getting people in towards your website so they know who you are as a brand. So you're taking them in towards your world. Just think of like just a website, okay? And you're taking them in the process. That's what a funnel is. And in terms, I'm trying to break it down for you guys to really understand this. Okay? Offer could be an affiliate offer. Target audience. Do you know your audience? Do you know them inside out? Like, in terms of do you know what they're looking for? Right? And we're gonna break it down more, okay? For people who are trying to figure out this whole space, right? I know it could be overloaded, but I'm trying to keep it simple for you guys, okay? Messaging funnel. And 5 is traffic. Okay, so you guys can see do you know do you know your products? Do you know your courses? Okay, like I don't suggest that you create your courses when you're first starting out. I suggest that you create and select an affiliate offer, because the cool part about uh, affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products whatsoever with affiliate marketing. Uh, you don't have to handle customer support. The ones that you're leveraging off from different affiliate network side, they have to handle that on their own. Okay. The cool part is that you can select an affiliate offer that can truly help your audience, and then it starts from here. This is why I said you have to study the marketplace. Okay. Then once you understand what the offer and the affiliate offer, do you know your target audience, what they want? Then the messaging, right? How you could put out the messaging towards your audience. Then you create a funnel and then you send traffic. 6, we're gonna keep it simple, content. Okay. In my other videos, I talk about pretty deep with content. There's different types of content. Like in this space, they just talk about, oh, you got to create content, but there's something much more deeper. It's one of my videos on YouTube. Okay, definitely check it out. It's going to take it even further. Okay. So when it all comes down towards this, right, we're just keeping it very simple. Try out 3 different business models. Find one that resonates with you, and you're only allowed to pick one. Okay? If you find something that resonates with you, then you know you can stick with it long term. The problem with this space I've noticed is that people are switching, right? Like they tried this for 3 months, it didn't work out. And they try another one, it doesn't work out. What happened is that they're telling themselves like, oh, should I go print on demand, or should I use AI, or this and that? And what happened is that they're chasing 2 different bunny rabbits at the same time, and they're just overwhelmed, right? So try this out, guys. Like try 3 different business models, and you're only allowed to pick one out of that. What's that one business model that you can stick with long term? Okay. Once you understand that, then you study the marketplace. Okay. Then what is that offer? Okay. What is that offer? It could be an affiliate offer. Okay. Do you know your target audience? Do you know your audience? Okay. And then once you understand the audience, then the messaging comes naturally. Then once you identify the messaging, the funnel becomes easy because you already established the messaging. Then we're gonna go, I'm gonna be teaching you about like YouTube SEO, Facebook ads, where you could run Facebook ads, $5 a day ads, guys. Okay. And now I'm going to teach you more in terms of creating your own content. Okay, crucial. So from here is that once you identify this, once you start to learn about this concept, okay, the print on demand e-commerce FBA, just pick one. Okay, study the marketplace, know the offer and or it could be an affiliate offer, target audience, messaging, funnel, traffic, content. Okay, so let's say for example you wanted to become a content creator. Okay, what I suggest is that you guys can see this right here is converting at 50%. Okay, cool part is that if you guys want this lead capture page for free, comment below this video, or it could be underneath the description as well. I'll give it out towards you guys for free. And the cool part is you guys can just swap this image and put your face on there if you guys want to brand yourself out there, because the main goal of what I'm trying to do for you guys is that, and yeah, I wanted to show you, like, this is like my Facebook ads dashboard, right? So this is the 7-part free training series where I'm giving out towards my awesome audience, right? So let's do this again, right? So you guys can see today's what, July 3rd? Yeah, July 3rd. And so the results are conversions, that people are opting in, right? Because at the end of the day, we want to focus on at least 30% email opt-in rate. Okay, so let's say, for example, 253, and these are the landing page views. Okay, so 253 divided by 510. Okay, 50% email opt-in rate, where we round this up. Okay, so 50% email opt-in rate, guys. And I'll give this out towards you guys to speed up the process for you, where you guys can have this, because this is converting at 50%. And you can swap your image here. So what happened is that this page right here, okay, is a lead capture page or a landing page, right? Landing page. Just call it simple, landing page. Okay, where we collect emails. Okay, I'm just gonna put emails here. If this lead capture page is converting at 50%, guys, and I'm giving that out towards you, right? What happened is that, yes, I'm gonna show you. I will be giving you that thank you page as well. But for now, let's keep it simple so for you guys can understand. Okay, so we're gonna go and the landing page, which is this right here. Okay, so if people opt in, you know, for their email. So what happened is that if this page is converting at 50%, okay, they go to the thank you page. Okay, we could put an affiliate offer here. And remember this, guys, okay? This is cold traffic. So it's going to take some more times. So even though if people are clicking here, we're looking at the data to see if people are actually clicking on that thank you page. Okay. Now, what we're going to be doing in that 7-part free training series that I share underneath this description, I teach you how to build this, guys. But for my audience that is watching this, I'm giving this out towards you guys for free. So I already done the testing aspects of it, right? In the 7-part free training series, I teach you how to create your own emails, okay? And we're going to be setting a custom audience here, okay? This is crucial. This is going to separate yourself. Then we're going to be doing retargeting, okay? So you guys can see, I'm just trying to keep it very simple, right? And the cool part is, you're gonna brand yourself here, because we never want to rely on affiliate offers. You're the long-term brand, okay? So you have to really understand this kind of idea, okay? Brand yourself here, but we're gonna brand you further. Here. We never want to rely on affiliate offers, okay? That's crucial because you're the long-term brand, okay? So from here, once again, this is the landing page, thank you page. This is the email follow-ups that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. And yeah, I hope this training doesn't overwhelm you guys. Maybe you guys got a lot of idea that's populating within you. And yeah, I just wanted to go create this because this is the first step towards building an online income. Once again, we're gonna keep it very simple. 3 business models, try it out, find one that resonates with you. You're only allowed to pick one to avoid that overloading that's overloading your mind. Study that marketplace, figure out if you're going to be creating a course. I don't encourage you to create your own course, but you can select an affiliate offer. Know the target audience, know the messaging, the funnel, the traffic. I'm gonna be teaching you that. Make sure you guys go through my videos, YouTube SEO, Facebook ads. We're gonna be running $5 a day ads, content. We're gonna be teaching you that. Landing page. Once again, if you guys want it, it's free underneath the description. Thank you page, I'm also gonna be giving that too in the future. We're gonna be building custom audience, retargeting, and email follow-ups. Okay. So on top of that, hope you guys got some clarity, right? Rewind this video if you're getting too overwhelmed. Remember, brick by brick, guys. Okay, take your time on this. Okay, and when there's something that you don't understand, pause the video. Okay, rewind the video. Maybe you're missing that specific idea that I've shared. So by doing that, that's when you are going to learn in a much more effective rate. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.